Today we'll show you how to create account in UpScrolled without anything. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to create account and go and here put your name like what you want, like we will now put LEGUTO guide. Okay guys, and here put the true email like this. Okay, put the true email. Okay, not the fake email. Okay guys, okay, here put your birth date. What your birth date? Okay, and now put here your password. Okay, now I put my password guys, so now go to next and click now next. We will verify that my email. Go to next too, and I will get a code from my laptop. Okay, this is a code. Okay, 495443 and verify. And now we will choose this is LEGUTO. This is our handle. Okay guys, so we sign up. And finally we have now this is account for our. Just guys, don't forget to follow us, and this is UpScrolled, and thank you for watching.